subconscious mind so that you can perform like dance.
Has given us a lot of thoughts to think about, so you spend time to educate the mind, right? So you can empower a person to succeed in life.
The goals achieved in a way that you're proud. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you.